bit of actual wind we got, the one thought that went through my head, this boat's gonna fall apart.
Bodhi, were you worried the boat was gonna fall apart?
Yeah.
So these, Bodhi, are little foamies that we're gonna sit on this time, so we don't get lead paint up our butts. And then I think I found some battens. This was Greg going through his
Why are you running?
garage finding extra parts. So let's see if they slide into the sail. And then today's assistant. Oh, and today's other assistant.
Oh, hi. Oh, wait, hang on.
Aha. Ladies and gentlemen, we have our first batten.
Bodhi, come on. Come here.
You gotta go see Daddy if you're not coming with us.
Go or come here.
Okay, jumping in right on top of you.
Hi, boobies.
Oh. Okay. Alright, let's get this tiller.
Coming about. What? Did you fall?
No, he didn't.
He did. Bodhi, mommy can't help you, hon.
Go to Dad. Bye, bye, Bodhi.
Bodhi didn't want to come, hon. Do you want to come? Take us back.
Take us back. This is a sailboat. You never get to go the direction you want to go.
Take us back.
Oh shit, it's gonna take us an hour to get him. Bodhi, we're coming for you!
Come here.
Come here, grab my hand. Okay, Bodhi, this is your job, okay? You hold the GoPro,
You hold the
okay?
GoPro, honey.
You get all the good shots. Okay, there you go. That's the right way.
Oh.
Okay, tacking. Oh, okay.
Good thing he's short.
Look at that. Listen to that. We're going, Bodhi. Keep also like holding this.
Oh, what do you want me to hold? I got one kind of good hand.
Balance my weight. Sorry. Let's... Good thing you fed Baker.
That was probably the most
That was the fastest
cruising we
we've
got.
ever done. Well, it's not just necessarily the most breeze, but it was like a perfect.
Oh!
It was a perfect.
I got it.
beach.
I'm holding down hard here.
Are you having fun, Bodhi? Are you be a little sailor, Bodhi? No. What if mommy's a sailor too? Then will you become a sailor?
We're sailing.
Do you want to go sail with mommy? Yeah.
What do you think? Is this fun? Is this better than Grandpa's boat?
Your Auntie Wawa's gonna sail like this. She's gonna get a much better boat, hopefully.
Get that. You got this? I gotta adjust this. Whew. Good thing Mama's got her bathing suit on.
Okay, good thing he's wearing a life jacket.
I would not bring him out here without a life jacket on. You wearing your life jacket?
What are you gonna start bailing water? Okay, we got a boat coming at us. Oh, we got also a giant sail. So they should be able to see us. Also, we're not motorized, so we have right of way.
Woo!
But whoa! Do I need to hold this instead? Sorry. I'm just gonna use it. Yep.
It's pretty sweet.
It's okay.
We center.
Sorry, I shouldn't have held it. I should have just let it out.
Bodhi, I'm gonna put you up here, okay, honey? Yeah.
Here, I'm just gonna ease the pressure off. So.
Okay. No, just sit right up in there where it's not wet. Okay. There you go.
I'm like steering
Sit
with
down.
my armpit.
There you go.
Steering with my armpit right now.
All things are in the way.
Scared your child.
Want me to hold it?
Bodhi, are you having fun? Are you having fun? Maybe. Apparently we were on a time lapse that whole time. Thanks, Bodhi. We're running out of water?
Yeah.
Oh, this is why you look where you're steering. Okay, well, we can, let's tack.
You're learning how to be a boat boy.
Bodhi, you can explore the wonderful accommodations of our boat. You could sleep in the forward berth.
You want to sleep at the cabin? Well, that's not an option.
Well, that's a little far away right now.
The one bit of actual wind we got, the one thought that went through my head, this boat's gonna fall apart. We're running aground again here, Captain.
Bodhi, were you worried the boat was gonna fall apart?
Yeah.
Dead face, just, yeah.
Speaking of,
Captain.
okay, coming about. Okay, I need to lean forward. There's no wind. I was hoping we would kind of just
cruise
rip
back.
back. But now we are just cruising. I'm gonna have to pull the motor out.
The motor, aka, too bad you didn't get a chance to shave.
Sailors don't shave.
Bodhi, what are the rules of sailing? Keep water out of the boat. Keep people in the boat. And don't hit other boats. Don't hit other boats. Very good.
There you go, you can sail now.
Yep.
That's all you need to know. That's it.
Bye-bye. Go to Daddy. Okay.
So holding.
Yep.
Bye. Go tell Daddy. Go tell Daddy. Don't worry, YouTube. It's not my kid.
It's my wonderful child. It's the first time he's ever been in a sailboat, and like my second time ever in a sailboat. There goes Dad.
Man, Bodhi was dead weight. Look how fast we're going now.
I should start bailing now.
Yeah.
All the water we took on before. Wow, okay.
Do you want me to go? Do you want me to head up a bit?
I'd rather just hold the bar rather than the rope.
Okay. Because I can go into the wind. It'll lighten the load for you.
Cruise it.
Bodhi would not like this. No, I'm glad we ditched him. I mean,
Oh, yeah.
my tits keep hitting the tiller.
Leave your MacBook here for the week.
I feel like you're just gonna split the whole boat. Like
I know.
Off that side, I feel like the seam's separating.
I mean, there's a lot of things separating in this boat, but here we are.
How's our water? This is our water check. I'm sitting in a lot. We're kind of going, but I'm also keeping 2 wind because this boat is easily overpowered. So we can kind of like cook it a little bit if I head downwind. And if the wind stays, because the wind just died when I did that. Take 2. Just the 2 of us. I don't know that song. You know? No.
I just know that line.
There's a song out there that says, just the 2 of us.
I think it's a different rhythm though.
Just the 2
It's
of
more
us.
snappy.
Just the 2 of us. Just the 2 of us.
I don't think it continues to say that line though.
No, I'm trying to get the
The
2.
two?
Just the 2 of us. We lost the wind.
We need a different song that we know.
Where's the wind right now? Oh, it's behind us.
Yeah.
Okay, here, come out.
Woo!
Okay, now it's clearly that direction right up there. We just turn a little bit in. Okay. Here, you want me to tack? Is it a lot?
You don't need to ask me what I want to do. I don't know anything.
The shore's right there.
Yeah, get away from the shore. This might not be a flattering angle of you.
This is great because we've just like territorially, we've taken over half the lake. You see all the ski boats over there? They're just doing tight little donuts. There's this wild sailboat just in the center of the lake.
Pinch it.
I'm not pinching. The wind's over there.
I know, but I need to have a 10 to 15 degree angle.
Oh.
Is that what you said before?
Well, like our heel. So like the sail, when it's over there, I need you to lean so we can lift the sail up a little bit.
That went over my head. I don't understand that.
Yeah. So when wind is hitting us here,
that's the sail is your hand?
The sail, like we're going in this direction.
Uh-huh.
And if the wind is hitting us this side, we tip. So I need your weight on this side of the boat so we can bring it up. Because otherwise we're just dumping the wind.
Oh.
So you bring the sail up.
We're luffing. Like, oh, I'm going the other way now. Whee!
The wind just changed?
Yep.
Oh, yeah, it did.
Woo!
Hello. Quick thinking. Katie's quick thinking. I'm laughing. We're going the other way now.
Let's go scare a motorboat.
Cutting off the sailboats. So remember, Katie, if it gets to be too much,
I love it.
you just ease out the main sheet. Or if we start having water come over.
How close am I? I have no idea. I think once I feel it on my back, then I'll.
That's okay. The gust is gone.
Are you sure about that, Captain? Are you sure about that? I didn't feel it on my shoulders yet, so.
It was like beside your shoulders.
Wow, we are like separating from this part of the boat back there. Right up here. There's a good 1/4 inch gap.
You think I held the boom with my hands when I sailed around the world?
Or like just ropes in general.
She was like, I don't understand how you didn't come back jacked. You think I sailed around the world doing that?
Whee!
Holding the boom with my hands?
I mean, I'm doing great. I'm doing great.
I'm gonna really try to get you here.
I mean, all I have to do is just kick off and swim. I can hold my breath. It's okay.
Your guns look great right now.
Thanks. I hold a 30-pound toddler and a almost 20-pound baby.
Okay, so I'm pointing to the dock, and the wind is behind us. So you let that right out. But now, see, you're against the shroud.
Yeah.
It's kind of bad practice to do that. Oh, good one.
I say we go for one more loop about.
One more loop. Since we're sailing into the rocks, let's try this again. Coming about. Notice how like coming about was just a full 180. That's our angle of sail, essentially.
Oh, is that not?
It's just because it's a really bad boat. With
You mean a super boat?
super boat. I'm sorry, KL 400. You're a great boat.
It's underneath. Oh, Laura. If that comes over here, I'm out of the boat. I'm out of the boat.
Katie, this channel is about female empowerment. We can't be scared of spiders and sailboats.
I know
Or
it's not a
big
big
spider.
spider. There's not a lot of space between me and the spider. And it's not even a spider, it's like a tarantula.